In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default save location for your local recordings in Zoom, specifically for the desktop version. This is a handy little trick that can help you stay organized and ensure your recordings end up exactly where you want them. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open up your Zoom desktop application, and of course make sure you're signed in. Once you're logged in and ready to go, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there, and that's where you'll want to click. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options, but for now, you're going to select Settings. With the Settings menu now open, take your eyes over to the left sidebar. There, you'll find a list of various settings categories. What you're looking for is the one labeled Recording. Go ahead and click on that. Now, within the recording settings, you'll notice a section titled Local Recording. This is where things get interesting. Just beneath this heading, you'll see the current folder path displayed alongside a button. It's either labeled Change or something similar. This is your gateway to directing Zoom recordings to your preferred location. Click on that Change button, and a dialog box will pop up. This is your standard File Explorer window, and it allows you to browse through your computer's directories. Take your time here to navigate and select the folder where you want all future Zoom recordings to be saved. Once you've found the perfect spot, simply select that folder and confirm your choice. Now, here's a little optional tip for those who prefer some flexibility. If you'd like Zoom to prompt you each time to select a save location when a meeting ends, there's an easy way to set that up. Just look around the same section, and you'll notice a checkbox that says something along the lines of, "Choose a location for recorded files when meeting ends." Check that box, and you'll get that handy prompt after each meeting concludes. It's important to note that once you've changed the location, Zoom will save all future local recordings to the new folder you selected. However, it's worth mentioning that any recordings you've made in the past will remain in the old folder unless you decide to move them manually. So, if there are past recordings you want to keep organized, you may want to move those files to your newly designated folder. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your default save location for local Zoom recordings. With your recordings now neatly organized, you can easily find and manage them and focus more on what you do best: conducting impactful meetings and calls. Thanks for following along, and happy recording.